I am pretty much sure that you must have seen people, you must have heard about people, you must have read about people who are successful. Even I did so. So successful people or people who have achieved something in life, they have created set of habits which a normal person doesn't have. Now you must have read few articles. If you go to Google, type something on the internet about articles, what are the similar qualities about successful people. They talk about they are hardworking, they have consistency at work, they are creative, they have team building skills, they have leadership skills, they are good at communication, etc., etc. Even a normal person tries to develop these habits. It's for a certain period of time. And later, consistency is lacking. Now, if that is the case with you, then track your habits and be consistent at your particular task. Now, after great efforts, I understood amongst all the successful people, there is something similar. So there is one similarity amongst these people. Now, what is that? I was very curious about knowing. And that will really surprise you when they talk about leadership skills, communication, financial literacy, all the knowledge, what they have, what they implement more importantly. So learning we need to implement. Learning without application is useless. Learning without application is useless. That learning becomes invalid if you don't apply. You must have got the answer. So that one similarity is reading. Yes, my dear friends, all the successful people have this particular habit for sure. Reading, they invest a lot of time in reading. Elon Musk approximately reads for 10 hours every day. Bill Gates completes 50 books every year. Warren Buffett, again, 60 to 70% of his time he reads. As I told you, leadership skills, communication skills, team building, financial literacy, all this is driven from one habit, that is reading. People invest good amount of time in reading. Reading helps a lot of people. It has helped a lot of people. It has got various benefits. And of course, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits also in just a few minutes. Now, if you feel that you are not reading, if you are not expanding your knowledge, that means you are off track. You have to constantly develop yourself. You have to constantly upgrade yourself, gain knowledge, acquire that knowledge what you want in the particular subject or a particular industry or a particular domain. See to it that we invest time. People get returns on investment, right? Reading is an investment. When you invest your time in reading, the best interest you will get or the best returns you will get. Don't forget to read. So reading. So what are the benefits of reading? First and foremost, when you read, you acquire knowledge, you gain knowledge. You are one step ahead than a person who doesn't read. Now, a book is equal to 100 good friends. If you have people around, good people around to have good conversation, winners have a different conversation, they say. So if you have good friends, good people, mentors, your conversations are different. If you don't have, still, if you read, it will act like a mentor. It will give you knowledge. That is the first and important thing what you gain through reading. The second most important thing is a lot of books like non-fiction books or self-help books, we say, that helps you and gives you life lessons. Yes, people who write the book, the authors are experienced. They would like to convey some message about few life incidents and what are the learnings they put down in the book. So you will also gain life lessons. The third important thing is about reading is that will improve your focus and concentration level. Yes, my dear friends, you need to invest in your reading activity because that will absolutely going to improve your focusing and concentration skill, what we lack in this particular disturbed environment. The next thing what you will gain is that your perspective about the world changes. You become more understanding, you become more wise. You know, few parents are not much very educated. Somewhere they don't, they don't understand, they have some conflict. Now when you read and gain some knowledge about conflict management, your empathy skills changes and it develops. You become more understanding. Next thing is your communication improves. When you read, you become a better communicator because you get knowledge, and whenever there is a conversation going on, you start pitching good topics, you speak sensible, so you read well, you read correctly, you get new words, you implement that words while you converse instead of in social groups or something like that. It will really help you. Last but not the least, you become empowered. Reading empowers you. You need not require some external motivation. No need of some motivational talk from somebody. Even if you need one, that will remain for few days. But if you read, that will empower you for a longer period of time. You are pushing yourself. Until unless you don't have that internal motivation, you won't be able to achieve many things. External supplement motivation will help you to a certain extent. But when you start motivating yourself internally, when you become a self-motivator, trust me, there is nobody who's going to stop you. Yes, from this video, that's all my friends. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. And thank you so much for your love, what you're giving for previous videos. With this continuity, I'm also going to speak to you about how to gain knowledge and what is the returns what you get through knowledge. In the next video, I'm going to speak about that. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your family and friends. Bye for now, your Jose Michael.